Oliver was very nervous on his plane seat. During the flight, his parents tried to calm him by saying that they would feel comfortable in their new city and that it would be a matter of time to feel fully adapted to it. Nevertheless, Oliver couldn't stop thinking about how his new school would be and how his classmates would treat him. He was used to feeling weird in his old school due to his red hair and big glasses, and he didn't want it to happen again. Then, the flight attendant came to Oliver and asked him if everything was fine. That was the first time Oliver realized he would feel more out of place than he had expected, as he saw that this person and also everyone from the plane had 4 eyes and 4 arms. When arriving to his new city, Oliver looked around and got shocked. Buildings from that city were upside down. People getting out from them were huge, and they looked sick due to his green skin. However, he felt he was the one being observed and weird. The next day arrived, and thus Oliver had to face his new school and classmates. The teacher and some children were already in the classroom, and Oliver could feel how everyone kept silence while he was walking to talk to the teacher. Some of them looked at him with surprise and even fear, while others couldn't stop laughing and pointing at him. But Oliver felt he was the most normal from that room, and that his ex-classmates would make fun of those people. Regardless this bad impression, Oliver felt very comfortable in his first lesson. He has always been a good student, and his new teacher congratulated him at the end of the class. But again, everything went bad. The break arrived, and Oliver had to keep sit on a bank while looking how his classmates were playing. He felt brave at that moment and decided to ask them if he could join in the game.
You don't think you and your white skin will play with us, do you? Get out, two-eyed!
And Oliver decided to go back to the bank. When suddenly, a classmate came to talk to Oliver.
Don't worry, they always do the same when someone's different. Look at me, they always avoid playing with me because my skin's darker.
But I heard they even call me freak.
I completely understand how you feel. They call me Timmy Despinac.
Do you know what? I'm tired of being excluded for having a different skin color. How can you bear all this mockery?
You get used to it.
And that was how Timmy and Oliver became friends and started acting as the rest of their classmates. At the beginning, they too played alone and people looked weird at them. But with the time, some of their classmates started getting closer to them.
Hi, I'm Mavi. I know we have been a bit rude with you, but I've seen you are not that strange. I mean, this is my brother. He's a student from this school, and he has only 2 arms, like you, because he has a rare disease. So I just wanted to apologize. I wouldn't like to see my brother in your position.
Mavi also told Oliver about Charlie, a classmate who used to be mocked because he was not tall enough. And that was how Oliver started making friends not only in the classroom, but also outside.
Hey, I love your hair. In this town, everybody looks at me for having my hair dyed like this, but I don't care. Orange is my favorite color.
And that was how, with the time, everyone in that class realized that they have one thing in common with Oliver and Timmy that was more important than the number of eyes or the color of the skin, as they were just like the rest, kids who like to play and have fun.